a required monthly test of the emergency alert system for WeatherCraft Media Group. Had this been an actual emergency or dangerous situation, official messages and instructions would have followed the alert tones. This test is conducted by WeatherCraft Media Group to ensure the effectiveness of emergency alert systems in the relay network. This relay network is comprised of the following stations. WEACA IP, Hollywood, Florida on Zeno FM at weathercraftip.my.canada site, covering the following counties: Miami-Dade, Broward, and the following coastal waters from Deerfield Beach to Ocean Reef, Florida, out 20 nautical miles, and waters from Deerfield Beach to Ocean Reef, Florida, out 20 to 60 nautical miles, excluding the territorial waters of Bahamas. WSFH IP radio, Fort Lauderdale, Florida on Live 365, covering the following counties: Palm Beach, Broward, and Miami-Dade. WCR32, WCR32M, mobile weathercraft emergency weather radio, and WCR32 covering Broward, Miami-Dade, Palm Beach, Martin, St. Lucie, Indian River, and Okeechobee counties. WORBZ IP radio, Fort Lauderdale, Florida, covering the following counties: Broward and Miami-Dade. This concludes this required monthly test.